In previous videos, we already discussed about first order system and second order system. Now we are going to solve some of these problems. For a unity feedback control system, the open loop transfer function is g of s equal to 10 into s plus 2 divided by s square into s plus 1. We have to find out position error constant, velocity error constant, acceleration error constant. Normally, positional error constant means we can say it will be Kp. Velocity error constant will be Kv. And acceleration error constant will be Ka. Now, normally the transfer function will be R of s, G of s, C of s, it will be the normal function. So we have to find out positional error constant, velocity error constant, and acceleration error constant, and finally we have to substitute in this R of s. R of s they are given as 3 by s minus 2 by s square plus 1 by 3s cube. It will be the R of s. Finally, we have to find out steady state error constant by substituting R of s. Now we are going to solve this positional error constant. Whereas Kp equal to the formula you already know that limit s tends to 0 g of s into h of s. We already know that if there is in feedback loop they didn't mention anything means it will be equal to 1. So here limit s tends to 0 whereas g of s is already given here 10 into s plus 2 divided by s square into s plus 1. H of s will be equal to 1. So after applying limits, it will be equal to, when we take a common s also, it will be, the result will be same. So we are not changing anything, directly we are substituting s value in this condition. S will be 0. Here anything divided by 0 means it will be equal to infinity. So the value will be equal to infinity. In positional error constant, it will be infinity. Now, in velocity error constant, it will be equal to the formula we have already know that limit s tends to 0 s into g of s into h of s. The same thing, limit s tends to 0 whereas s g of s we have already know that 10 into s plus 2 into s square into s plus 1. So here s will be cancelled and directly we are substituting s value in this and the same output. Anything power 0 will be equal to infinity. Now the final one, Ka, acceleration constant. Ka will be equal to limit s tends to 0 s square into g of s into h of s. Whereas limit s tends to 0 s square into g of s is 10 into s plus 2 divided by s square into s plus 1 into h of s means we already know value will be equal to 1. So s square will be cancelled and the limit will be, we are substituting this. So the final output will be 10 into 0 plus 2. S will be equal to 0 plus 1. So the final output will be equal to 20. Now the final will be, we are going to find out steady state error. The steady state error formula will be steady state error. The steady state error formula equal to limit f tends to 0 f into E of s. The formula for E of s will be R of s 1 plus G of s into H of s. In question they have mentioned that R of s equal to 3 by s minus 2 by s square plus 1 by s cube. So we are substituting in this, and G of s will be equal to this one and H of s equal to 1. So final output will be 3 by s minus 2 by s square plus 1 by 3s cube divided by 1 plus G of s. So the value will be 10 into s plus 2 divided by s square into s plus 1. So after taking LCM it will be s square into s plus 1 and 3 by s minus 2 by s square plus 1 by 3s cube divided by s square into s plus 1 plus 10 into s plus 2. So we are taking this one and this will be go on outside. It will be equal to, the final output will be this one. After substituting, this one will be equal to E of s. This E of s we are substituting in this one. So the final E of s equal to limit s tends to 0 s into E of s. So this s we are taking inside, then it will be s into s plus 1 3 minus 2 by s plus, or we can take directly this 2s inside, means it will be 3s 2 plus s cube, s square cancel and 1 by 3s. And s square s plus 1 in plus 10 s plus 2. We are just substituting this value in this one, and we are taking s value inside, then the final output will be this one. Now after substituting this limits inside, it will be equal to 3s into s plus 1 minus 2 into s plus 1 plus s plus 1 divided by 3s by limit s tends to 0 s square into s plus 1 plus 10 into s plus 1 directly. This whole value will be, after applying limits, it will be 0, and here also 0. The final output will be ss will be cancelled in this side, and 1 by 3 divided by 0, whole term will be equal to 0 divided by 10. So the final output will be 1 by 30 is the error constant, steady state error constant of this one. In next video we can see that PI, PD and PID, positional integration, positional differentiation and positional integration and differentiation. So thank you.